How to get transcript from YouTube video. First, open YouTube and find the video you want to get the transcript from. Next, open the video description and look for the Show Transcript option. If you don't see it immediately, tap More to expand the description. Once you select Show Transcript, YouTube will display the complete transcript, usually with timestamps next to each section. If you don't need the timestamps, you can simply select the text you want and copy and paste it into Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or any text editor. Keep in mind that not every YouTube video has a transcript. It depends on whether captions or automatic subtitles are available for that video. And that's it. You can now quickly get and copy a transcript from a YouTube video without manually typing everything. If this tutorial helped, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube tips, AI tools, and easy tech tutorials.